Rainey Street, Austin, Texas. At Ladybird Lake, many young men have been reported missing then found deceased in or near the lake. They were last seen on Rainey Street at the bars and food trucks. Many people have inaccurately stated, on social media, that the lake is a mile or more away from Rainey Street and the bars and food trucks, when in reality, the lake is a mere 80 feet away from Rainey Street. The length of Rainey Street is less than 2,000 feet in distance. The bars and food trucks are clustered into a 2 to 3 block area. Ladybird Lake is accessible from Rainey Street. It's within walking distance to the lake. There is a walking trail, but no lights at night. A few lights have recently been installed. But why have so many young, educated, hipster, tech-savvy, working men been reported missing then found drowned or deceased in or on the banks of Ladybird Lake? Some victims have not been reported missing nor have they been identified, as law enforcement made sketches of the unidentified. Are the victims being murdered then thrown into Ladybird Lake? Are the victims walking to the lake, falling in and drowning in Ladybird Lake in an inebriated state of mind? Is it a sick joke or game people are playing on innocent victims, as indicated on the black web? Could the Smiley Face Killers group be responsible for the deaths of 15 or more deceased males within the last 2 years, approximately? Let's bring answers to the victims, citizens, visitors, and the families. Demand thorough testing for all types of drugs, including date rape drugs, poisons, and more detailed investigations by law enforcement.